What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to spray your home and your property for bugs, doing your pest control yourself. If you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I do a lot of DIY how-to videos and automotive videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright, make sure you're wearing gloves, glasses, and a mask. And make sure you're doing this on a not windy day. I'm going to be using this Ortho Home Defense Max. You're going to lift up this to open up to the gun. And then how this gun works is you just pull it slowly, and that's going to build up pressure. Make sure the nozzle is set to spray right here. Alright, so we're going to spray at the base of all the doorways. You can go ahead and spray the sill too of the doorway. You're also going to spray all the way around your house, all around the perimeter, right up against the wall. Go ahead and spray about 2 to 4 inches. Spray large cracks around your home too, because the roaches love to come out of these cracks. If you've got any vents around the foundation of your home, go ahead and spray around those. Spiders love to build their little houses around those. We're going to spray around our whole yard where the grass meets the concrete. This is going to keep all the roaches and stuff from when they crawl off the grass to the cement. It's going to kill them. All the way around your whole entire yard. Make sure your pets and dogs and cats are in for at least a couple hours after you do this. You can go ahead and spray around all your window frames. Make sure your windows are shut. Go ahead and spray along the edge of your garage door so you keep them all from getting in your garage. That's an easy place for them to get in. Another good spot to do is around dryer vents, anywhere they can get inside. Even like spigots, if there's like little cracks around there, they love water. If you've got any water utility covers or anything like that, say in your alley or something, the roaches love those, so spray all the way around those. Even around your garbage can. Make sure you get a nice thick coating around the front of your front door. All along the porch, around that baseboard, that plate right there. Keep them from coming in. They love to come in that crack underneath the front door. Go ahead and spray around places where a lot of spiders and stuff make their nests and stuff, and then they won't be able to make their nests again, like porch lights and such. Alright guys, and that's it. If you do that, it'll be just like getting it done by the pros. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, consider subscribing to my channel. I got a lot of how-to videos, automotive, household. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care.